So when I decided that I wanted to remodel my kitchen, I shopped around and looked at different contractors in the DMV. And I decided to go with Mustafa and the team at DC Home Remodeling because they offered sort of the best deal. Mustafa was very professional, very responsive, knew exactly how to address problems as they came up. His team were also very professional. They did really good work. Anything that I noticed that needed addressing, they addressed well. They were clean. They stayed out the way, and they were here every day on time. So overall, I've had a great experience with DC Home Remodeling. They do really, really good work, as you can see. And I enjoyed working with Mustafa so much that I am going to be using DC Home Remodeling to remodel other parts of my house. So if you're looking for a good deal, great work, and responsiveness, I highly recommend DC Home Remodeling.